Hello there, my name is Howard Weinstein and I'm with Keller Williams Realty. I am a KW-approved trainer, an FES instructor, a MAPS mastery coach, an operating partner, and a general manager for multiple Keller Williams market centers. I'm going to be bringing objection handling and closing with ease to your market center in the very near future. This class is one of the most powerful classes we can bring to your training room, and let me explain why. Most agents do a good job with getting appointments set. Where they have a hang up at certain points is closing for the deal, closing for the listing appointment, closing for the buyer consultation, exclusive buyer brokerage agreement. And what we cover in this class is how do you handle it when a seller says, I don't want to list with you if you haven't sold at least 40 homes in my neighborhood. I don't want to sell with you if you haven't been in the business for at least 20 years. I don't want to work with you if you're going to force me to price my home at a certain point that I'm not comfortable with. I don't want to work with you if you're charging X commission. And what we work on in this class is how to pre-qualify the listing appointment or the buyer consultation at the very highest level, and then how to handle those objections when they come across the table. Because you're going to know them before you even get to the listing appointment or the buyer consultation and know exactly what to do and how to handle them. This is a powerful, powerful class. I've had agents take this for years and say they've added another 10 to 20, 25 transactions to their deals, to their business for that year. Again, it's objection handling techniques and closing with ease. My name is Howard Weinstein. I've been in the business almost 30 years, and I'm anxious to bring this to the training room of your market center. Look forward to seeing you soon.